Hi, it's Angie and Dr. Dutch here to tell you what's going on at Pierce Clinic this week. First and foremost, this Tuesday, July 25th, right here at Pierce Clinic at 6:30 p.m., we're going to be having our live health restoration class. Who's hosting that this week?
That would be Dr. Miller.
Dr. Miller. So invite your friends, family, get to that, find out about what we do here and how it can help you. Register at the front desk with Kay or Dana because seating is limited.
I wanted to take a minute to talk about something that we're seeing more and more often here at the clinic. It is called tech neck or text neck. For those of you who don't know what that is, it is something that we're starting to see from an overuse of electronics. We're seeing it in adults, but we're also starting to see it even in young children. So what tech neck is a distortion or a problem with your neck that's caused by using your phone or using your computer. I'm going to kind of demonstrate here, thinking about your neck or your head as a bowling ball, right? It weighs between 10 and 15 pounds. For every inch forward that your head is tilted, it doubles the weight roughly. So bringing your phone or your computer up at eye level doesn't increase the weight at all, right? But when you bring your head down even an inch, it doubles that weight from 15 pounds potentially to 30 pounds. And for every inch after that, it doubles that weight again. So when you get to that extreme, your head can weigh up to 60, 75 pounds at that point.
And it's not my best side either. No.
So that's really, really important because what we see is a lot of symptoms are occurring because of that tech neck, because of our overuse of those electronics. It creates problems like neck tension, headaches, radiating pain, tingling, or numbness into your hands. So lots and lots of issues. So if you have a problem or you're feeling that type of pain or you know somebody who is that is at a desk job or is using a computer a lot, please send them into the office.
Yes, we can certainly help with that. So posture is important and upper cervical care is very critical.
Absolutely.
Right. So we hope you learned a little something about what that's about because it is becoming more and more predominant and we want to make sure that it doesn't hurt you. Our infused water this week, Dr. Dutch, is going to be lemon lime. Okay, we're not talking about Sprite, we're talking about infused water, okay? So come in, make sure you get your cup today. And lastly, we just want to thank you again for being patient here. And if you're not, call, get scheduled, get in here. And if you haven't been in a while, call and get scheduled for your appointment. We want to make sure you're holding your correction because here at Pierce Clinic, it's about a gentle adjustment with life-changing results. You all have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.